almost an FT on the YM. It was only up to 109. I require a 120 or higher. Watching the CL. All right, I can buy that. That's a speed tick setup on the CL. Hit the target a couple times, didn't Bill? All right, so while we're waiting on this, um, this is a trade room. I want to make sure everybody understands this is a trading room, not a teaching type of environment. We have um, venues for that. We have applications, videos, um, documentation. We have all kinds of things to help you learn what we're doing. We also have trade of the day videos on YouTube where you can learn a whole lot more about what we do here than, you know, just sitting here in the trade room. All right, finally just got a +5 on that CL. So we're happy to have you here in the room. We're happy to have you join us and sit and watch. If things get very quiet for a while, that just means we're sitting and waiting for the markets to hand us trade setups. So you won't hear me doing a lot of speculating or crystal balling, market analysis, none of that. We just react. See this. Here's the setup here. Notice how price started pushing harder and harder and harder. And if you saw a webinar recently, and that's why you're visiting, you probably saw me talk about something that looked exactly like this. Notice the bars start going from black to gray to light gray. Okay, so we have increased momentum, but we want momentum to help us identify the potential for exhaustion. Okay, so that's just one step of the step-by-step process that you probably have already heard us talk about. The next step is an oversold condition. Okay, another area of potential for exhaustion. We've got a low of the day, which is minor support. We've got this major line of support here. We call this our FT line. We've got a pullback alert and our trigger to get into the next trade if it opens in the right place, which it did. We were 5 ticks or less on the open of this bar, and up it went. There's the pullback. Now, we are only expecting a pullback. I don't expect a reversal. I have a lot of people say, well, Tony, why don't you put on a trailing some runners or at least trail a stomp and see how much you can get out of it? Because I'm really only expecting it to pull back just a little bit. And it pulled back, got hit by target, put the money in the bank. Now I'm out of the markets. My money is safe. And I wait for the next one. All right. It's really, this is the most simple trading system that I know of. You go in, you get your little piece, you get out, and wait for the next opportunity.